If you can score at least 80 out of 100 on this ultimate general knowledge quiz, your trivia skills are seriously impressive. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Hit that subscribe button right now to lock in your luck, and let's begin.
Question 1. Which country was formerly known as Ceylon? India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, or Nepal? The correct answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Question 2. Which city is known as the City of Canals? Amsterdam, Venice, Bangkok, or Bruges? The correct answer is option B, Venice. Question 3. What is the fastest land animal? Lion, horse, cheetah, or greyhound? The correct answer is option C, cheetah. Question 4. How many planets are there in our solar system? 7, 8, 9, or 10? The correct answer is option B, 8. Question 5. What is the most commonly eaten food around the world? Bread, rice, potato, or pasta? The correct answer is option B, rice. Question 6. On which continent is Argentina located? Europe, Asia, South America, or Africa? The correct answer is option C, South America. Question 7. How many oceans are there on Earth? 3, 4, 5, or 6? The correct answer is option C, 5. Question 8. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa located? Rome, Florence, Venice, or Pisa? The correct answer is option D, Pisa. Question 9. Which bird is known for its ability to fly backward? Sparrow, eagle, hummingbird, or crow? The correct answer is option C, hummingbird. Question 10. In which country is the Burj Khalifa located? Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, or Kuwait? The correct answer is option C, UAE. Question 11. What is the largest U.S. state by area? Texas, Alaska, California, or Montana? The correct answer is option B, Alaska. Question 12. Where is the Krakatoa volcano located? Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, or Chile? The correct answer is option C, Indonesia. Question 13. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, or Elon Musk? The correct answer is option B, Bill Gates. Question 14. How many centimeters make up 1 meter? 10, 50, 100, or 1,000? The correct answer is option C, 100. Question 15. What is the shortest day of the year called? Equinox, solstice, winter solstice, or autumn solstice? The correct answer is option C, winter solstice. Question 16. In which country were French fries first made? USA, France, Belgium, or Germany? The correct answer is option C, Belgium. Question 17. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Earth, Venus, Mercury, or Mars? The correct answer is option C, Mercury. Question 18. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Iron, quartz, diamond, or granite? The correct answer is option C, diamond. Question 19. How many days are there in a year? 360, 364, 365, or 366? The correct answer is option C, 365. Question 20. Which food is considered the most harmful to brain health? Fish, fruits, fast food, or vegetables? The correct answer is option C, fast food. Question 21. In which country does the sun not set during summer? Japan, Norway, Italy, or Mexico? The correct answer is option B, Norway. Question 22. What is a diamond made of? Iron, carbon, quartz, or calcium? The correct answer is option B, carbon. Question 23. Which internal organ is the heaviest in the human body? Heart, brain, liver, or lung? The correct answer is option C, liver. Question 24. The Nile River flows through how many countries? 7, 9, 11, or 13? The correct answer is option C, 11. Question 25. What is the largest mammal in the world? Elephant, blue whale, shark, or hippo? The correct answer is option B, blue whale. Question 26. What do you call a baby dog? Cub, pup, kit, or calf? The correct answer is option B, pup. Question 27. What was the first color seen on Earth? Red, green, blue, or yellow? The correct answer is option C, blue. Question 28. What is the longest cell in the human body? Blood cell, skin cell, nerve cell, or bone cell? The correct answer is option C, nerve cell. Question 29. Which animal cannot look up to see the sky? Horse, pig, cow, or dog? The correct answer is option B, pig. Question 30. Which planet has the strongest gravitational pull? Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, or Neptune? The correct answer is option C, Jupiter. Question 31. Which flower blooms only once every 12 years? Lotus, Nilakarinji, sunflower, or tulip? The correct answer is option B, Neelakurinji. Question 32. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Auckland, Christchurch, Wellington, or Hamilton? The correct answer is option C, Wellington. Question 33. What is the most consumed fruit in the world? Apple, orange, banana, or mango? The correct answer is option C, banana. Question 34. What is the slowest land animal? Turtle, snail, sloth, or koala? The correct answer is option C, sloth. Question 35. What is the capital of Canada? Toronto, Vancouver, Ottawa, or Montreal? The correct answer is option C, Ottawa. Question 36. How many bones are in the adult human body? 200, 204, 206, or 210? The correct answer is option C, 206. Question 37. How many continents are there on Earth? 5, 6, 7, or 8? The correct answer is option C, 7. Question 38. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mars, Mercury, Pluto, or Venus? The correct answer is option B, Mercury. Question 39. Which vitamin is mainly obtained from sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, or vitamin D? The correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Question 40. What material is used to make pencils? Lead, graphite, charcoal, or carbon? The correct answer is option B, graphite. Question 41. What is 15% of 200? 20, 25, 30, or 35? The correct answer is option C, 30. Question 42. What is the largest hot desert in the world? Gobi, Kalahari, Sahara, or Atacama? The correct answer is option C, Sahara. Question 43. What is a synonym for fast? Slow, quick, weak, or late? The correct answer is option B, quick. Question 44. Which organ filters blood in the body? Heart, kidney, liver, or lung? The correct answer is option B, kidney. Question 45. How long does it take the Earth to orbit the Sun? 24 hours, 30 days, 365 days, or 400 days? The correct answer is option C, 365 days. Question 46. How many milliliters are in a liter? 100, 500, 1,000, or 2,000? The correct answer is option C, 1,000. Question 47. What is the deepest ocean trench? Tonga Trench, Java Trench, Mariana Trench, or Peru Trench? The correct answer is option C, Mariana Trench. Question 48. What color is the sun? Red, yellow, white, or orange? The correct answer is option C, white. Question 49. Which element has the chemical symbol O? Gold, oxygen, silver, or osmium? The correct answer is option B, oxygen. Question 50. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, or Claude Monet? The correct answer is option C, Leonardo da Vinci. Question 51. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, or Arctic Ocean? The correct answer is option C, Pacific Ocean. Question 52. How many legs does a spider have? 6, 8, 10, or 12? The correct answer is option B, 8. Question 53. Which is the longest river in the world? Amazon, Nile, Yangtze, or Mississippi? The correct answer is option B, Nile. Question 54. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Tomato, avocado, onion, or pepper? The correct answer is option B, avocado. Who wrote the play Hamlet? Charles Dickens, Jane Austen, William Shakespeare, or Mark Twain? The correct answer is option C, William Shakespeare. Question 56. What is the currency of Japan? Yuan, won, yen, or dollar? The correct answer is option C, yen. Question 57. Which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn? The correct answer is option B, Mars. Question 58. What is the largest country by area? Canada, China, USA, or Russia? The correct answer is option D, Russia. Question 59. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Yuri Gagarin, Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, or Michael Collins? The correct answer is option C, Neil Armstrong. Question 60. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? 0 degrees, 32 degrees, 100 degrees, or negative 10 degrees? The correct answer is option A, 0 degrees. Question 61. Which language has the most native speakers? English, Spanish, Mandarin, or Hindi? The correct answer is option C, Mandarin. Question 62. What is the tallest mountain in the world? K2, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Everest, or Mount Fuji? The correct answer is option C, Mount Everest. Question 63. How many colors are in a rainbow? 5, 6, 7, or 8? The correct answer is option C, 7. Question 64. What is the national animal of Australia? Koala, kangaroo, emu, or platypus? The correct answer is option B, kangaroo. Question 65. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen? The correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Question 66. Who discovered gravity when an apple fell on his head? Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Galileo Galilei, or Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is option B, Isaac Newton. Question 67. What is the capital of Italy? Venice, Milan, Rome, or Naples? The correct answer is option C, Rome. Question 68. How many sides does a hexagon have? 5, 6, 7, or 8? The correct answer is option B, 6. Question 69. What is the most spoken language in the world? Spanish, English, Mandarin, or Hindi? The correct answer is option B, English. Question 70. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Iron, copper, mercury, or silver? The correct answer is option C, mercury. Question 71. Who is known as the father of computers? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Bill Gates, or Steve Jobs? The correct answer is option B, Charles Babbage. Question 72. What is the chemical formula for water? HO, H2O, CO2, or O2? The correct answer is option B, H2O. Question 73. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Baseball, soccer, basketball, or tennis? The correct answer is option C, basketball. Question 74. What is the largest bone in the human body? Skull, femur, rib, or tibia? The correct answer is option B, femur. Question 75. Which ocean is off the California coast? Atlantic, Indian, Pacific, or Arctic? The correct answer is option C, Pacific. Question 76. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen? The correct answer is option B, nitrogen. Question 77. Who painted The Starry Night? Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, or Salvador Dali? The correct answer is option B, Vincent van Gogh. Question 78. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra, or Brisbane? The correct answer is option C, Canberra. Question 79. How many players are on a soccer team? 9, 10, 11, or 12? The correct answer is option C, 11. Question 80. What is the largest desert in the world, including cold deserts? Sahara, Arabian, Gobi, or Antarctic? The correct answer is option D, Antarctic. Question 81. Which musical instrument has 88 keys? Violin, guitar, piano, or flute? The correct answer is option C, piano. Question 82. What is the study of stars and planets called? Astrology, astronomy, biology, or geology? The correct answer is option B, astronomy. Question 83. Which planet is famous for its rings? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune? The correct answer is option B, Saturn. Question 84. What do bees make? Milk, honey, silk, or wax? The correct answer is option B, honey. Question 85. Who invented the telephone? Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Nikola Tesla, or Guglielmo Marconi? The correct answer is option B, Alexander Graham Bell. Question 86. What is the primary ingredient in hummus? Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, or peas? The correct answer is option B, chickpeas. Question 87. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? Asia, Africa, South America, or Australia? The correct answer is option B, Africa. Question 88. What is the symbol for gold on the periodic table? AU, AG, GD, or GO? The correct answer is option A, AU. Question 89. How many teeth does a human adult typically have? 28, 30, 32, or 34? The correct answer is option C, 32. Question 90. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Oxygen, hydrogen, helium, or carbon? The correct answer is option B, hydrogen. Question 91. Which bird is the universal symbol of peace? Eagle, dove, owl, or swan? The correct answer is option B, dove. Question 92. In what year did the Titanic sink? 1905, 1912, 1920, or 1931? The correct answer is option B, 1912. Question 93. What is the capital of Spain? Barcelona, Madrid, Seville, or Valencia? The correct answer is option B, Madrid. Question 94. Who wrote the Harry Potter series? J.R.R. Tolkien, George R.R. Martin, J.K. Rowling, or C.S. Lewis? The correct answer is option C, J.K. Rowling. Question 95. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? The correct answer is option B, Venus. Question 96. What is a group of lions called? Flock, herd, pride, or pack? The correct answer is option C, pride. Question 97. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? Vanilla, sugar, cocoa, or milk? The correct answer is option C, cocoa. Question 98. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Shark, octopus, dolphin, or whale? The correct answer is option B, octopus. Question 99. How many states are in the United States? 48, 49, 50, or 51? The correct answer is option C, 50. Question 100. What geometric shape has 5 sides? Square, pentagon, hexagon, or octagon? The correct answer is option B, pentagon.
Out of 100 general knowledge questions, how many did you get right? Share your final score in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Thank you for playing!